Hi there, students. To nix, N-I-X, to nix something, to refuse something, to prevent something, to not allow something. So, I had plans to go to the pub tonight, but my girlfriend nixed that idea. So, to nix, to disallow, to prohibit, to veto, if you like. I thought I was going to be able to take 2 weeks holiday in August, but my boss nixed that. The company nixed the plans to repaint the office, okay, to say no, to prevent something from happening as a verb, and then as a noun or as an adverb, nix, nothing, no. So I tried really hard, and all for nix, for nothing. I guess Dad is going to say nix about me borrowing his car. So no, nix, no. Or to nix, to forbid, to refuse to accept something. I asked the teacher if we could go early, but he nixed my suggestion. Okay, so would you lend me some money? Nix. No, I'm not going to do it. To put an end to something, to cancel something. The bad weather nixed our picnic. It stopped it. Now, nix apparently can also be a German water spirit in folklore. So, nixes look like beautiful fish, for example. And you can also use this word nix, but this is probably a bit old-fashioned, saying that the teacher is coming, or the police are coming, somebody is in authority coming. Watch out, KP, nix, nix. Yeah, watch out, be on your guard because something's happening. But the most common in this, to nix, to veto something, to reject it. The judge nixed my lawyer's appeal. Okay, we were going to have the meeting at home, but I decided to nix that because I needed to do all sorts of things in the house to set up the meeting. To say nix to something, to say no to something. Or I hate working for nix. I hate working for nothing. So if you nix a plan, you nix a suggestion, you reject it, you forbid it, you say this is not going to happen. So it's like a refusal. At the last moment, they nixed their order because they said that they didn't have enough money. Nix what I just said. Yeah, forget it. Bring it. Cancel it. Okay, so nix, nothing. To nix, to cancel, to reject, to make something become nothing. To belay, I would guess. Yeah, to reject something, to cancel something. So nix. Please, it seems that somebody nixes everything I suggest. The new president wanted to introduce new legislation, but the parliament nixed his intention of introducing this legislation. So to nix, to stop something. Okay, this is informal. To nix, I would give this a 3 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. Maybe in a written note to a friend, informal again, but nothing more formal than that. And as to origin, it probably comes from German, nichts, nothing in German, or in Dutch as well, nix with a K, nothing. Yeah, so that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. bye for now. Nix to Nix.